All right, what's this, the 5th?
Uh,
Oh boy, look at him. He's got his mouth all open. Oh my God.
he's just yawning.
He's yawn. All right, Saturday, I think it's the 5th of March. This is our little guy we have in our front pond here. And he is a big one. Probably the biggest one we've ever seen here. I'd say one about 5 feet.
Yeah, he's about 5 feet, and I'm staying like back really far.
Wow. First time we ever got to see one this big and
And with his mouth open.
mouth open finally. He's a big one. And this is Florida, everyone. They're over here like squirrels. That's a big dude. Kind of give you a perspective here. There's some trucks parked over there with some cars. Oh, we got this little guy over here. He's a little bit pissed. Wow. Either one ballsy bird or he don't care. Right?
Huh?
Either one ballsy bird or
Yeah.
he doesn't care, but man, he is a big dude. That is so freaking cool. Anyway, that's our Florida stuff. That's why it's so fun to live out here. Talk to you guys later.